In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule calendar automations in Trello. We're going to set up a scheduled automation so Trello can run tasks for you on a regular cadence, like every day at a specific time. Start by opening your browser, heading to Google, and typing Trello. Click into the official Trello site, sign in if you need to, and open the board where you want this automation to live. At the top of your board, click the lightning icon. That opens Trello's automation panel, also known as Butler. Inside the panel, choose Rules, then switch to the Scheduled section. This is where you tell Trello when your automation should run. Click Create Automation to start building one. First, add the timing. Click Add Trigger, then select Schedule. You'll see options for every day, every week, or every month. Pick the one that fits your workflow. For this walkthrough, choose every day, then set the exact time you want it to run. Pick a time that makes sense for your team, like early morning before people start working, or end of day to tidy things up. If your team is distributed, double-check the time zone shown in Trello so it fires when you expect. When the schedule looks right, click the plus icon to confirm the trigger. Next, define what should happen at that time. Click Select an action. You'll see categories to choose from. Go to Move Cards, then Lists, and you'll find options like Sort or other list-focused actions. For this example, choose Sort. This is a great way to keep priority lists clean automatically. Now set up the action details. Choose the specific list you want to sort, then decide how to sort it. For example, by due date, by card name, or by when cards were last moved. Sorting by due date ascending is a popular pick so the most urgent work rises to the top. If you rely on labels or custom fields, you can tailor the sort to those as well, keeping the logic consistent with how your team prioritizes. When you're done configuring, click the plus sign to add the action to your automation. To finish, click Save. Your scheduled rule is now active. You can return to the scheduled section anytime to rename it, edit the schedule or actions, or pause it if needed. From here on, Trello will run the automation at the time you set, helping you maintain a clean, orderly board without manual effort. That's it. Your calendar-based automation is ready to go.